A four-car crash in southwest Philadelphia yesterday has reportedly left one person dead. A6 ABC Action News report said the incident happened on the 6800 block of Essington Avenue at around 5 p.m. on Friday evening. Investigators said a black Dodge Charger traveling at a high rate of speed lost control of the car before ultimately striking three vehicles. A 31-year-old passenger in the Dodge Charger was rushed to Presbyterian Hospital where he was pronounced dead shortly after arriving. The victim's identity has not been released at this time. No other injuries were reported. The incident is still under investigation.